This video covers practical tips you can use when eating out to make healthier choices. The occasional meal out won't significantly impact your health. If this is the case, choose what you want and enjoy it. If you eat out often, consider the balance within your day as a whole. If having a larger lunch, you could opt for a smaller dinner like soup or a sandwich. Items labelled as fried, battered or crispy tend to be higher in saturated fat, whereas items described as sweet, sticky or honey tend to be higher in sugar. Creamy sauces like peppercorn sauce or carbonara tend to be higher in fat and calories. Instead, choose gravy or tomato-based sauces. Instead of having chips as a side, consider ordering baked or boiled potatoes. Swap extra bread with pasta dishes for a side salad. Ask for oils, butter and sauces on the side, and dip instead of pouring over your meal. Before ordering, consider if you really need 3 courses or if you would be satisfied with one. If others are having dessert, opt for tea or coffee instead, or share a pudding. The NHS advise no more than 14 units of alcohol per week. Be mindful of the extra calories from alcoholic drinks, especially as these will not fill you up. Feel free to screenshot the key points from this video. Subscribe to Public Health Dietitians on YouTube for more nutrition advice and healthy recipe videos.